Okay, I thought I'd give you guys an upgrade on this case since I've had it. The Cooler Master Half 922 Blue. Basically, what you see is the motherboard in there and all of the equipment in there that I had from the Antec 900 case. And basically, what I did was I put it in here, so I thought I'd give you a little update since I had the build. I did some modification to it. I kind of just want to show you guys what I did to it. I put an extra fan on the CPU cooler, the co-cathode lights on the floor, and also it's still a bit of a cable management mess in there only because I'm not a pro on how to do cable management. And when I tried to do it, I couldn't get the back door to close. So check it out. Let me show you a little bit. There we go. If you can remember last time when you saw the Antec 900, it was way worse than what you see now. It's a lot better than what it looks when it was in the Antec 900. However, you still see a lot of wires inside the case. But it's not stopping the floor fan from spinning. It's not stopping the floor fan from spinning. It's over the floor fan, but it's not stopping the floor fan from spinning. The floor fan closing a lot of good air. It's a decent amount of airflow just to kind of keep it cool inside. Alright, here's the co-cathode light. See it right there? That's the co-cathode. Right there to right there. Okay? And then, of course, that's the floor fan. Y'all remember that from last time. Power supply from last time. Co-cathode box. And you see that fan right there? That's the new CPU fan. That's the second CPU fan from my last build from the Antec 900. That is the Antec 900 3-speed tri-cool LED blue black casing, black blade fan. Alright, it's a black housing, black blade with 3 LEDs, blue LEDs. And I have it on there as a push and pull. And that's the top one you see right there. See that one right there? That's the Thermaltake fan. That's the top one. The original fan that came with it when I got the heatsink. But this one right here is one I kind of put on the bottom. I had an extra fan. I figured I'd put it on the bottom. So it's kind of pulling cool air right through the heatsink. And up to that one and out the top one right there. Okay? So that's the way that works. It's kind of like a push and pull, and then it exhausts out of the top one. Out of this one right here. It exhausts out of that one right there. So that's basically what happened. That's basically what Deloitte and me has been doing. We just put this in today, the co-cathode, and we also installed this fan right here. Now, it had 4 little rubber mounts. 2 of the rubber mounts broke. Okay, I was trying to pull it, and I pulled it too hard, and it got stuck. Can't see it right now, but it actually got stuck inside the heatsink. But it's okay, the heatsink still works. But we had 2 left over, and we was able to put one right there, and the one on the other side, you can't see it, but it's holding the fan good enough so that it's able to push air through the heatsink, through this one, and through that one. Everything is still the same. Everything is still the same. Nothing's changed except for what I just told you. Okay? So basically, let's recap. The only thing that we did was put the co-cathode right there, the co-cathode. Wires are hanging over it, but that's the co-cathode. And then we installed this fan right here for the CPU, the second fan. And that's pretty much it. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless all of y'all. And peace.